Imagine walking through the busy streets of Spanish Town or the tourist hub of Ocho Rios at 3 in the morning. The hunger hits you, but the usual late night options feels like a gamble. Suddenly, you see a glowing touchscreen offering you a steaming box of KFC, a Burger King Whopper, or a plate of Island Grill, delivered in minutes by a machine. This was the virtual promise of Zoops, the automated hot food vending machine that took Jamaican social media by storm in early 2026. But as quickly as the order-ready light flashed, the machine went dark. Today, we're diving into the rise and sudden fall of Zoops, the controversial entrepreneur behind it, and why the Jamaican authorities decided to pull the plug on what many called the future of fast food. If you want more videos like this, please hit that like and subscribe to the channel right now. It will really help our community grow. Plus, you will receive notification when we release more content like this in the future. To understand Zoops, you have to understand the man behind the machine, Milton Wray. To many on TikTok and Instagram, he is better known as 119, a prominent social media blogger and commentator who has built a massive footprint by reporting on the raw, unfiltered news of the island. Now, Wray is no stranger to controversy or the spotlight, and he used his significant digital influence to launch Zoops with a disruptor mindset. His social media strategy was genius in its simplicity. He posted behind the scenes footage of the machines being stocked with fresh, hot meals from the island's most popular fast food chains. These videos gathered millions of views, creating an overnight demand that traditional brick and mortar restaurants could only dream of. For Wray, Zoops was not just a vending machine. It was a way to bypass the middleman and provide 24-hour convenience to a tech-savvy generation. The initial success was staggering. For a few weeks, the Zoops machines in Spanish Town and Ocho Rios were the most talked about spots in the country. The business model was bold. The machines were stocked with pre-purchased meals from big-name brands like KFC and Island Grill. Now, the customers would select their meals on a large touchscreen, pay via a digital wallet or a card, and receive their foods via an internal heating and elevator system. It was the ultimate test of food tech in a market that is notoriously traditional. However, this high-speed innovation eventually collided with the rigid world of government regulation. The crash came on January 9, 2026, and it was televised. As reported by Television Jamaica, or TVJ News, the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the Public Health Department shut down the operation in a coordinated raid. The primary concern was not just the trademark infringement regarding the use of the brand's name like KFC, although that was a major legal hurdle. It was the fundamental safety of the food itself. The Food Safety Department launched an immediate investigation into whether the business possessed valid food handlers permits and if it met the island's strict hygiene standards. The health inspectors raised questions that the viral TikTok videos didn't answer. For a business in the health and fitness niche, these details are critical. How long were those chicken boxes sitting in a heated metal box? Was the internal temperature consistently kept above the safety threshold of 60 degrees Celsius to prevent the growth of dangerous bacteria? The authorities were primarily concerned because the kitchen for Zoops was essentially a mystery. In Jamaica, any establishment selling cooked foods must be open to regular, unannounced inspections of the prepped area. Because Zoops was revending food cooked elsewhere and then stored in a remote machine, it created a massive regulatory blind spot. From a business and finance perspective, the Zoops saga is a fascinating case study in first mover advantage versus regulatory compliance. Milton Wray successfully identified a massive gap in the market: late night automated convenience. But he attempted to fill that gap without the necessary legal infrastructure. The lack of an official partnership with the brands being sold meant that companies like Restaurants of Jamaica, who operate KFC, could quickly distance themselves from the machine, citing quality control concerns. This effectively left the business in a legal no man's land. So, where does the future of Zoops and the automated food in Jamaica stand? The machine currently sits as a silent momentum to a viral moment, but the demand it uncovered has not gone away. For this to truly be the future, the business model will likely need to pivot from disruption to integration. This would mean official partnership with food brands, transparent health certifications displayed on the digital screens, and a clear audited chain of custody for every meal. Milton Wray, with his 119 media empire, has proven that the Jamaican public is ready for the robot chicken era. The only question remains: can the technology move fast enough to satisfy the public's hunger while also moving slow enough to satisfy the Ministry of Health? Until that balance is struck, the dream of the 24 automated cookshop remains on ice. Thanks for watching, and click the link on screen now to watch another Jamaican financial content. Catch you in the next video.